Hey guys, this is Alan from Luxury Auto Tints, and today we have a 2014 Roush Mustang. The customer requested 5% film on the side windows and as well as the rear, and 35% on the full windshield, and a 5% drop on top of that. So first step is going to be cleaning and prepping the window, and then install the film. Next, I'm going to take this giant piece of film and put it on the inside of the vehicle. It's a little tough in the two-door, but wish me luck. Next, it's time for the windshield install. So I'm going to take the plastic off and apply it to the inside of the windshield. As you can see, the inspection sticker has already been cut out for, as well as around the rear view mirror. Now that the windshield is installed, the next step is to put a drop or a tint strip across the top of the front windshield. And here's the final product. 35 on a windshield. You can barely see through it if you look at the right angle. 5% on the sides here. I don't want to close the doors all the way yet. There's what you're looking at. That's a 5% film. Nice cuts on the top. And here's the rear windshield, 5% as well. Pretty murdered out here. And as well as this side, 5% as well. You can see the inspection sticker was cut out for real nice and clean cuts. And that wraps it up for this 2014 Roush Mustang. Please like the video and share, and as always, thank you for watching.